Now, class chondrichthyes falling in the superclass Pisces, and the section Gnathostomata. Section is Gnathostomata, that is jaws, they have jaws, and they are in the superclass Pisces, means fishes. They are fishes, chondrichthyes, and they have jaws. Therefore they are included in Gnathostomata. They are marine. Body is also streamlined, just like the cyclostomes, and they are also cartilaginous, just like the cyclostomes. Cartilaginous. Cyclostomes have cartilaginous cranium, and what we call they have endoskeleton cartilaginous. All the wounds, endoskeleton is cartilaginous in chondrichthyes. Mouth in case of chondrichthyes is present on the lower side. The mouth is ventral, and notocard. You know that card is notocard is persistent, which means notocard persists throughout life, cannot disappear. Gill slits are present. Gill slits are present. There are also 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits in cyclostomes. There, in chondrichthyes, there are gill slits, but they are without operculum. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. Separate gill slits and without operculum, that is, without gill cover. There is no gill cover present on the gill slits, and in osteichthyes this gill cover may be present. Second, in case of chondrichthyes, it is tough, having scales, palacoid scales, plate-like scales, palacoid scales are present on the skin, and these palacoid scales are backwardly directed. They are directed backwards. Backwardly directed palacoid scales are present on skin. Jaws are powerful. Powerful jaws are present in chondrichthyes, and they are predaceous. They are predaceous. They are predaceous on other fishes. They can eat the small fishes. They constantly swim in water. Constantly swim in water. That is why they cannot sink, because there is no swimming bladder present. There is no swimming bladder. No swimming bladder present. No swimming bladder present. Therefore, they have to constantly swim in water, so that they cannot sink. To prevent themselves from sinking, they constantly remain swimming. Heart is two-chambered. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. एक auricle होता है और एक ventricle होता है. We have four-chambered heart, but the chondrichthyes, they have two-chambered heart. There are also some chondrichthyes which can possess electric organ, that is, they can generate electric current. They can generate electric current. They have electric organ. Electric organ, like there is the chondrichthyne example, which is known as electric eel or torpedo. Torpedo, electric eel. Electric eel, it can generate electric current. There is also a chondrichthyes which can have a stinging apparatus, a poisonous sting. It can sting the enemy, which is poisonous sting. The enemy can die, like there is the trigon. Trigon is having poisonous sting. Poisonous sting is present in trigon. Therefore, chondrichthyes, some can also have poisonous sting. The chondrichthyes are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded, they cannot maintain their body temperature with respect to the surroundings. That is, they are poikilothermous. Poikilothermous. poikilosaurus animals, that is, they are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate in case of chondrichthyes. Sexes separate. They can be distinguished. Male can be distinguished from the females. Males have claspers on under the pelvic fins. There are claspers in males. Claspers in males under the pelvic fin. Under the pelvic fin. Pelvic fin के नीचे males में claspers होते हैं, which differentiates them from the females. They are mostly repairs. And examples of the Scoridon. Scoridon is also known as logfish. There is Pristis. Pristis is sawfish. Pristis, Scoridon, Carcharodon, which is the great white shark. Carcharodon is also known as great white shark. Carcharodon, Pristis, Scoridon और दो आपने पढ़े, that is Trigon, और आपने दूसरा भी पढ़ा torpedo and Trigon. These are the examples of chondrichthyes.